Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 2 of my Lego Soundwave build. So last time I built the little Soundwave along with Laserbeak and Ravage. So now we're going to continue. Okay, looks like we're actually starting on Soundwave here. Okay, there's that. Now we have these yellow studs. Okay, so this is not sitting in the right spot. That's supposed to sit there. More sense. The two gray plates. Dark gray anyway. Okay, now that pops on there. Okay, now that's I don't think I've seen one of these before. A 3 Technic brick with 3 holes, with 3 Technic holes in it. I've seen 2 and 1, but not 3. That can't be new. Can it? I don't think so. We need 2 of these with the, why do this? I guess they just need all the Technic beams in there. For whatever reason. We need it like this. We'll find out, I guess. And then that sits on top of here. Okay. And then the 4, these are fun. The 2/3 side-facing studs, 2/3 bricks with the side-facing studs. They're also rounded. And then we have 2 panels here. Goes on top of that. And we got this 4x4 tile. Haven't seen a lot of those. Usually they use those ones with the modified plate. And that's there now. I have this and this. And that is supposed to go through the blue one. So maybe that's why. Specific to the blue one. And then that's supposed to probably line up. They're the same. There we go. And the 1x5s. And that goes there. Okay, and then we have the 1x2s that go over here. And we have tile. I forgot the tiles up here. Okay. Now these 2. Oh yes, here's the Technic bricks with 2. Go there, and then there's, you gotta put the silver there, that sits beside it. Yes, and then this one, same thing, other side. And I'm supposed to pop those. Wait a second. These are supposed to go over one. Okay, now I see. And that goes in there. And that goes over one. Okay. Like that. these go actually here, or no, they go there. I'm not really sure why those connections are needed that way. Not going to move anywhere. Okay, so we're still looking at it this way. This is here. Oh, I am supposed to put that on top of there. What am I doing? Okay, these go on top of here. And then these go here. Okay. Now, what? We got a sticker on the 1x4 tile. The play sticker. This is the play button. The main use of the brick separator. Okay, there we go. Play. Is this going to push down on that sound brick? Guess we'll see. Two hinge pieces here. Now we flip it over. And we have a clear bar, grab bar in the middle for whatever reason. Probably because that is going to press something. Okay, and then this is going to need these yellow. Oh, these are frictionless, and these go this way. And we pop that. Okay, we pop that on top of here, and that is gonna do something. Oh, wait, see, it can move. Oh, it's just gonna be you push it back. Okay. Oh, does the sound brick must go here? It just so it slides in, I'm guessing. So we do two of these, and they go. Oh, I missed the 1x5's going on top of this. Okay, they go there. And then we have, oh, these face this way, okay. Like that. Oh, there was two yellow studs. And those go there. And corner plates, tiles, plates, and then these plates. Okay, there's that. And now we have this guy. One goes this way. It sits like this. And one goes on the other side. And it sits like this. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put this on. These go on either side here. Got a bunch of these on the pad wall, from the pad wall, these shield tiles. Okay. Now these hinge pieces are articulating joints. This one. These guys go in there, and we put a black pin in the middle. And they go Where do they go? Oh, I gotta put these on here first. Oh, these are like double articulating. That is interesting. And that doesn't want to go in there. And then those joints, they do plug into that. And I get that to line up. There we go, that's better. Okay, there, come on, one last. And push there, make sure those are snapped on as well. And they go on there. And they should be turned. Okay, now we need to continue with the next thing. Okay, well, here is the sound brick. Does it have a little... Oh, that's neat. Anyway, let's get this started. This is like the main frame of his body, I guess. There we go. And then we have cheese slopes. And they did angle it a little bit so you can see. You need to put those cheese slopes there. Welcome, we got cheese slopes are always fun to see in here. And we have two of these little panels, maybe benches in a lot of cases. A fence without the fence. Okay, so that's there, and then one last cheese slope. What do we, there it is. Okay, now, that keeps wanting to come off. Now I need that there. And we have two of these. They're gonna go on like that. And now we have a stack of these studs. One on each side here. Okay. Axle pin. Oh, this is the bigger one. Okay, it's this one. Oh, these are a little different. Okay, and that one goes on this side. And we have one for the other side. Okay, that's good. I'm stacked. Why? I'm stacking 3 of these on. Why didn't they just give me some more of the 1x2 bricks? There were some in another part, in the previous part. There were 2 in here. Do they need the lines for some reason? Forgot, gotta put these on here. And then these go on They just didn't want to do that for this bag? I don't know. Okay. Headlight bricks on these. With these tiles. There we go. That's in there. Okay, now. That goes over there. And that goes there. And the other side is a brick. Is that supposed to be like the tape, like the actual like tape roller? Is that the idea? Okay, so now we have a hinge piece. Where is that? There it is. There's two of them. And there's two, oh no, there's just a 1x6. And then two of the modified, I think those are, yeah, there's two of them. The modified plates, both facing upside down, so that's fun. Okay, and then that goes there. Okay. Corner. That goes over here, and then we have a corner on the other side. Oh, wait. That's right. That goes there. Okay, and then this bar and the two panels. Man, do they really like try to make it accurate as far as reading the tapes? Or reading a tape? Okay, so now we have two more hinges, or a hinge anyway. And that is going to stick in there. Okay, that lines up, I see. A 5 and a 3. And that goes on this side. And we also have a 5 and a 3 on the other side. Okay. We have two more panels. They go like this. And we have the two 1x1s and yeah, I think I got those all there. That'll go nicely, and two more 1x3s there. Now, I'm gonna get 1x5s on either side here. Then you have the clips. And corner plates. And a 1x4. Or the corner bricks. And go right on top of that. And then some bars. I do like that lots of these bars. The double bar pieces. And axle bricks. Okay. There is a plate and a clip. So this is going to be like a strong clipping. They really like have leaned into these clip-in bars pieces. That's been pretty neat. Like they were on the Blacktron set and really clip nicely. Those are there, and then 2 plates on either side there. There's a 1x4, or no, there's 2 1x5s. Okay, so then there is the yellow guys here. 2 of the gray studs of silver studs. And that there. And we have this panel. Okay. 2 squares. We got these big corner plates, 3x3. And then we have these 2 go in here. That goes there. So now what? We're going to get some axles together here. The axle with this stud connection on there. Okay, we're supposed to put these on this way. Okay, and oopsie, that's I do that. Okay, this is facing the wrong way. Yeah, so it's like that. And then putting the jumper on that end. So this is the right way. Okay, I did that right. And that goes where? Okay, that's what? Okay. Oh, that's going in over here. Okay, and then, oh, that's going to move up and down. Okay, and then this actually goes in the other side. Okay, so we got that. Now we're supposed to pop that onto there. Can I get that lined up? There it is. think that's connected. Okay, thanks to LEGO Soundbrick, this is the first Soundwave figure to feature both sound effects from the Transformers series and a newly recorded dialogue lines only found in this model. Well, that's neat. Okay, so we have the brick. Which way is it supposed to face? It's supposed to face this way. And, oh, they're putting a little, because they put a little face on it. A little Soundwave face. It's fun. Oh yeah, the tiles are on there to slide it in and out, isn't it? Okay, so that goes in there. And then you slide it in this way. Like so. Now we needs to be held in. So we got this. And put the second one on here. Then there's the gray axle. Half beam. And this is going to go with this axle pin here. So with the other half, the beam here. Okay, and now, okay, we're doing the same thing. Other side here. And hook that on over here. Stick the other axle this way. Okay, so then they're both held together. And this goes on the back here to hold that box. They are. Laser beak. Wow, this is really... Nothing for Ravage. Ooh, that too. There's Ravage. That's a lot. So that's been part 2 of my LEGO Soundwave build. This time got his, I guess, the cassette deck area built, as well as including the sound bar. It's got a lot so far. I haven't even gone through them all yet. Anyway, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.